Hello everyone, this is Donald from North Star Solutions, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about goal setting and the importance of it in our business. This morning I was at a business networking meeting and we were speaking about goal setting, and I suppose this really has got me to put together just a little 3 or 4 minute video on my own thoughts around goal setting and what has served me well personally and my clients over the last number of years. So when we talk about goal setting, usually we're talking about it in December or January of a new year, and we're all pumped up and we're all motivated and we all want to do the right thing. And when we're setting goals, we usually look at the acronym, the SMART goals. And SMART really means be specific, be measurable, make sure the goal is attainable, make sure it's realistic, and also timeless. You put a timeline in your goal. And that's very, very important. I've done it myself down through the years. So it's really important when you're setting a goal to look at that acronym. But really, to me, there's much more to goal setting than just looking at setting your goal and walking away, or even looking at it a couple of times a year. So my philosophy around goal setting is to look at 3 certain ways of achieving your goal and ensuring that there's a better likelihood of achieving that goal. So the 3 ways I would break down a goal would be to look at the process goal, to look at the performance goal, and to look at the outcome goal. So when we look at the goal that we set for ourselves, usually we look at the outcome. So it's what the eventual outcome of the actual goal is. So what's the actual final result? So we don't pay enough heed to actually how we go about that. So the how is really important here. So the 2 goals that will really help us to reach our goal will be the process goals and the performance goals. What I mean by performance goals is on a weekly or monthly basis, we would check in and see how we're actually doing. Have we hit the milestones along the way that we want to achieve? Have we hit the performance levels that we've set out for ourselves in order to achieve our outcome goal? But the most important thing for me is when your outcome goal is set, is that you go back to your process. You go back, what are you doing on a daily basis? What behaviours are you doing? What actions are you doing? What's your daily measure of operation, your DMO, on a daily basis? Is that going to help you to achieve your performance goal, and in turn will that help you to achieve your outcome goal? So you have to start at 1 to 2 to 3. You can't just go from 1 to 3, you have to go through 2. So really I can't emphasize the importance of setting your goal and ensuring that you go after your process on a daily basis and see you achieving what you're supposed to achieve on a daily basis to achieve your eventual outcome goal. And the other point I'd like to say just on that, I suppose what's really, really important is that you can control your process goals and you can control your performance goals, but it's quite difficult to actually control your outcome goals. And sometimes when we concentrate on trying to control the outcome goals, we lose focus on our process goals. So I hope I haven't confused you. It's my philosophy, it works well for me and my clients. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about goal setting and the whole area of process, performance and outcome goals, well, I'd log on to our new website on www.northstarsolutions.ie, and you'll find out little bits more information. So that's Donald from North Star Solutions, and we'll be in touch again over the next few weeks. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.